Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into something powerful, DRDO. Established in 1958, DRDO operates under the Ministry of Defense. Its mission? Making India self-reliant in defense technology. We are talking advanced weapons, systems, and more. DRDO's headquarters is in New Delhi, under the leadership of Dr. Sameer V. Kamath. Let's explore some of the key technologies they've developed. Missiles like Agni and Prithvi are just the tip of the iceberg. Then, there's the Arjun battle tank, a force to be reckoned with. And don't forget about the Tejas light combat aircraft. DRDO is working on radars, drones, and communication systems too. They're not just about the hardware, but innovative software too. In essence, DRDO is the backbone of our defense capabilities. They are shaping the future of India's defense. So, the next time you hear DRDO, think of our scientific strength. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and share. Subscribe for more exciting content. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.